Hello students, good morning. This is third standard mathematics term 2. This is our unit 5. This is our last unit also in the second term. Unit name was information processing. We already studied about this information processing. In this class, we will study about under this topic road map. We know about map, isn't it? Who is map? Where is in the map? Is it in the Dora's bag, isn't it? Why Dora use map? Why the Dora using map? You don't know? Okay, now we tell that Dora using map for she want to go to one place to another place. That's why she was use the map. So what is map first? Map help you travel from one location to another location. It help you organize information and figure out where you are and how to get where you want to go. So these are the usage of map. Now we see that modeling map making. Making a map known areas. See the picture. This is a map of Mala's village. One girl name was Mala. Her village. This is the map of her village. See the picture. What is that? What is the things in that picture? What are the things in that picture? It's a river and house and just like a barn and then garden. Okay. Mala has river like barn and then house, a home, garden. Okay, the garden, we shall locate the places from the above map as follows. The garden is in the left side. See, the garden is in the left side of the house. The house in the right side of the garden. The river is in the right side. River is in the right side of the barn. River is in the right side of the barn. The barn is in the left side of the river. This sentence they give us seeing a picture and then right here. Now we see the next one. This is the activity. You see that and write the answer below questions. Mark routes for the given locations. Mark routes for given locations. Given below is a map of a town showing some important places or landmarks. We tell that are places or landmarks. Divya wants to go to library. One of the ways to reach the library from her house is shown below. They give one of the place. First of all, what is the places, important places or landmarks? If I want to go, come your home means I ask to you how I will come your home. You tell no. From the school to your home, what are the important places or land? Important places means here bus stop is there. After that one hospital is there. One temple is there. We tell like that. No, in right side one temple is there. Left side my home. After the temple my home is there. Like that we tell no. That is the landmark. That temple, hospital, post office. That is the important places or landmark. Okay, now we see the map. See here, what are the places and what are the places is there? First one is a museum, then pharmacy, then hospital, and then market, park, library, then factory, post office, fire service. These all are landmarks for how to go to Divya's library. See, first route they given from the home to how they go library. First route museum, then she want to bank, then post office, then she reach the library. So now you see the first question and write the answer. Observe the map and answer the following question. First question, name the location she passed in the given route. Now we write the location names only. In here you will write. Name the location she passed in the given route. They give a route. We write the names only. First we write museum, then bank, and then post office, then library. So these four landmarks name we will write in the first question. Museum, here we will write museum. Then next place is what? Bank, post office and library. Bank, post office, and then library. I write here, you write neatly, and then library. This is the first question answer. And then second question is what? From the library, Divya needs to reach pharmacy. From the library, Divya needs to reach pharmacy. Trace the path and name the landmarks between library and pharmacy. So now we go to the second one. Divya needs to go pharmacy from the library. So now I rub everything. Again we start library to pharmacy. So now we trace the path. First from the library, Divya go to the park, then market, then hospital. After that she reached the pharmacy. So we draw the path, then we write the landmarks also. Any two, hospital and park, or hospital and market. That's your wish. You will write here landmark. Then third question. Trace another route from Divya's house to reach library. Trace, they given already one route. Now we find out the another route from Divya's house to reach library. So now we will find third question answer. Third question, you listen. This line they given, that green color, they give a one route. Now we find the another one route from Divya's house to library. So we start from here. Divya comes to post office, then factory. After that she want to go park, then she reach library. That is the third question answer. Okay, now we go to the last question. Mention any two places between museum and park. Mention any two places between museum and park. First we will see what are the places in the museum between museum and park. From here, museum and park. We write only two places, any two places. Here pharmacy is there, hospital is there, and then market. We write only two places, pharmacy and market. That is the fourth question answer. We write here pharmacy and market. So these are this answer. You copy it in your book and do the after that one exercise is there. So do that exercise. Thank you.